I am absolutely thrilled to share with you the incredible 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd. in Noida Sector 76, Delhi, NCR. This company has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with our environment by providing cutting-edge technology that brings objects to life in stunning detail. Scon Design India Private Ltd. is at the forefront of the 3D scanning industry, and their expertise and passion for innovation are second to none. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd. is truly unmatched. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to capture every intricate detail of an object, creating a digital replica that is incredibly accurate and lifelike. Whether you need to scan a small product, a large sculpture, or even an entire building, Scon Design India Private Ltd. has the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. The benefits of using 3D scanning services are truly remarkable. Not only does it allow for precise measurements and accurate replication, but it also opens up a world of possibilities for industries such as architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and even entertainment. With Scon Design India Private Ltd.'s advanced scanning technology, you can easily visualize and modify designs, detect flaws or imperfections, and even create customized products with ease. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd. for your 3D scanning needs is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the unique requirements of each project and work closely with their clients to ensure that their expectations are not only met but exceeded. Their team of experts is dedicated to delivering high-quality results within the specified time frame, all while providing exceptional customer service. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 76, Delhi, NCR? Look no further. Scon Design India Private Ltd. is here to fulfill all your scanning requirements and exceed your expectations. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they provide the best 3D scanning services in the area. Whether you are in the field of architecture, engineering, or manufacturing, Scon Design India Private Ltd. has got you covered. Their expertise and attention to detail ensure that every scan is accurate and precise, allowing you to create stunning 3D models with ease. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd. apart from the rest is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality scans within the specified timeframe, and they go above and beyond to meet your deadlines. Their team is always available to answer any questions or concerns you may have, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience from start to finish. With their exceptional customer service, you can trust that your project is in good hands. The benefits of utilizing 3D scanning services are endless. Whether you need to reverse engineer a product, create a virtual tour,